Heyo guys, HoneyGold here. Welcome to a vlog. Real quick, I'm in the midst of a not so family emergency that my brother wanted me to come out and see him because he wasn't feeling too well and stuff. And I just finished taking him to work, and he works 2 jobs. He works at a pet store and BurgerKings. And I respect him a lot for doing 2 jobs. It's really impressive. But I figured, no videos are being put out. Why not? And I use the term loosely here. Do I guess, experimentation. I've never had the, I hope you guys saw my face in that whole thing. Like really right here. I've never tried this. It's from BurgerKings. Let's get these napkins going. Yum. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look, a fork. It's already getting fancy in here. A knife. What could it be? Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Butter? You don't say. What's the second to last thing? What's the second to last thing? Dude, it's really getting intense here. It's syrup. Syrup. I don't know if I just hashtag cringed or not, but. And finally, the thing we've been waiting for. Oh, the new pancakes. Oh, you want to be petted? Come here. He has a prairie dog. So yes, right here is the new. No, it's been out for a bit. I just never tried it. I figured, why not react to me trying it? Come here. Come here. Come on. Look, ready? There it is. Come here. You want attention? You want attention? It's a cute little prairie dog. Who's a cute prairie dog? What's your Chubbies? Her name's Chubbies. She's an animal. Look at that. She craves on attention. There we go. That's gonna be the title of the video. No. Said, huh. You love me, huh? I'm gonna do the rest of this video, so I'll pet you after. That's the new title of this video. It's eating BurgerKing pancakes. Petting a prairie dog? Alright, so let's get this video started. Let me just face the camera towards Law. I actually don't know if this is working. Just probably won't work. Sorry for the. You guys are welcome to say cringe or anything like that because of how bad this video is. Now with autofocus. So. Oh wait, hold on. Oh yeah, we ate last night. We haven't done the dishes. Just keep looking at that gloriousness. Right, let me just get this in my hand because I pat the prairie dog with this hand. Just so you guys don't freak out by like, oh no, germs and stuff. See, I'm washing my hand. See there's suds on the bottom. Hey there, buddy. Hey, Chose. Alright, let's get back into this. What's up, little birdie? Alrighty, what we've been waiting for. Dun dun. Wow, that's a huge disappointment than when they got rid of Brian off Family Guy. Nothing like a fresh thing. Oh boy. Burger King, you gotta do better than Wendy's here. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is put syrup on. Well, I'll try it without syrup first. Syrup. So, yeah, that's food for the cats. This is so cringy, like. Alright, so. Smells good, really good. Let me angle this better. There, okay. So let me get my knife out. And with this knife, we'll start eating this. What have I done with my life? I feel worse than PewDiePie. Oh man, this is stretchier than bubblegum fry. Fresh bubblegum. All right, let's get the whole experience here. I guess, cause you know you need butter for your you don't need water for your pancakes. All right, let's try this now. Okay, let's cut this. The 89-cent pancakes. Have I had better? Let's see. I bet I've grown a beard. Tough. Fluffy. I haven't butter. That's pretty good. That's actually really good. Stupidly good. Yeah, wow. This might work a lot better. Oh, that's actually really good. And now I'm gonna put the syrup on it. I love the syrup. It's like, oh my. Looks like a tragedy now. Jason, PG content. PG content. Alright. So, this is what I have going so far. As you can see. And you can probably hear the birds in the background. So, I guess now all we can do is try it. So let me just cut this like so. So let's get a good big bite going for us. A really big bite. And we'll see. Is it better than I have ever had pancakes part 2? Let's flip the camera. Hey buddy. You want to be patted, huh? Alright, so let's just finish these off. It shouldn't even be 10 minutes long for fucking pancakes. Sorry, Google for the language. Or YouTube, whatever, who cares? That's really good. Kids, if you go to Burger King, get the pancakes. I'm a meat guy, but these pancakes are really good. BK did really well. Even though you don't make the pancakes there, that's what we get. Machines get better pancakes than us. Better make better pancakes. Oh, there we go. It's been 10 minutes. Ad revenue. Yay! Yeah, literally. Alright, so where's this? Get him to come here. Say bye to all of you. You know, I never get how you can get syrup on yourself. Like, you try your hardest, you get nothing on it. Hey. Hey. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Trying to get him to look at the camera. Bird. Oh my gosh, okay. I'll hold you. You are the most needy prairie dog ever. Alright guys, so that is it for me today. Sorry I have not been making videos at all or anything like that. It's really tough, and I've been doing job searching for a while now because I'm unemployed. So yeah, this is HoneyGold, your king. Say sweet as honey, be welcome, sub, like, and view. I love my content. Sting, I'm out.